So, to improve the cohesion and flow of this paragraph, the writer wants to add the following sentence. Data gathering proved to be the quick part of the project. So, where would we want to put it? Well, let's just figure out maybe where we're talking about data gathering and maybe where we're talking about what might be the quick or slow part of the project. So we kind of start. I mean, pretty much right here, right? Over a 6-year period, university graduate students conducted interviews in more than 1,000 communities across the nation. Their goal, okay, was to determine. Okay, so basically, so here we're talking about the data gathering, talking about the sort of goal, why they were doing it. Then we're told about the work that dictionary founder Frederick Cassidy had expected to be finished by 1976 was not in fact completed in his lifetime. And then we're talking about the enthusiasts, the scholars, basically their reaction. So it seems like somewhere in here might be a pretty good place for this sentence, given the fact that, okay, so here we're talking about the data gathering, and that it basically, that the data gathering was completed, but that the actual project, the dictionary, wasn't even completed in his lifetime. So maybe even putting this sentence between those two. So then we're talking about the data gathering, why they did it, and then data gathering proved to be the quick part of the project. The work that dictionary founder Cassidy had expected to be finished by 76 wasn't completed in his lifetime. So that's probably the way to go. That makes a pretty smooth transition from when you're talking about, again, the data gathering process and then this sort of just, information. Um, and it's the transition because it's like, okay, so this data gathering took 6 years, which is supposed, it's quite a while, but that this was actually the quicker part of the project because the work wasn't even finished in the person's lifetime. So 27 is probably most logically placed after, not probably, most logically placed after, it will definitely be after sentence 4. So if you put it right in between sentence 4 and 5, it's surrounded by the stuff that this sentence is about. It's about data gathering and the fact that this was the quick part of the project. And just that, if you put it in any of these other sort of places that it's suggested, this sentence would sort of be not irrelevant, but it would be very awkward because you're not really talking about comparing time frames in any other part of this text except when you're talking about the comparison in time frames between doing the data gathering and then doing the rest of the work. So C is our answer here.